In today's competitive job market, getting your resume noticed is the first step toward landing your dream job. If you are not hearing back from employers, it might be due to common mistakes like using a generic and tailored resume, failing to optimize for applicant tracking systems, or not showcasing quantifiable achievements. A cluttered format, typos, or missing key skills can also push your resume to the rejection pile. To fix this, customize your resume for each job, incorporate relevant keywords, use a clean and ATS-friendly layout, highlight measurable successes, and craft a compelling summary that grabs attention. Address employment gaps strategically and ensure your resume is both professional and visually appealing. By refining these aspects, you'll increase your chances of standing out. Need help optimizing your resume? AI Resume Agent makes it easy to create a polished, tailored, and impactful resume that gets noticed. Start today and take control of your job search.